Hello dear students, welcome back to CSE Academy. In today's video you will learn present indefinite tense, fill in the blanks assignment. If you have not yet watched the previous video based on its rules, click on the I button. First sentence is the plane dash at 6:30. Its verb is arrive. So we'll write the plane arrives at 6:30. प्लेन सिंगुलर था इसीलिए वर्ब के साथ एस यूज हुआ. सेकेंड इज आई विल कॉल यू व्हेन ही डैश बैक. वर्ब इज कम. सो वील राइट इट आई विल कॉल यू व्हेन ही कम्स बैक. ही सिंगुलर था, थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर होने की वजह से हम इसमें वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म और एस यूज करेंगे. Third is unless we dash, now we can't be there on time. Its verb is start. So we'll write this unless we start now, we can't be there on time. We जो है वो plural है, so we'll write the first form of start. Fourth sentence is the sun dash in the east. Verb is rise. We'll write the sentence the sun rises in the east. sun जो है वो एक सिंगुलर है इसलिए rise के साथ s यूज होगा. Fifth is the next term dash on Monday. Verb is begin. So we'll write the next term begins on Monday. Term third person singular है इसलिए begin के साथ s यूज हुआ. Sixth sentence she dash an engineer. Verb is be. तो जब हम be को चेंज करेंगे तो we'll write she is an engineer. be चेंज होने पे उसकी फर्स्ट फॉर्म में is आता है सिंगुलर्स के साथ. Seventh is they dash are relatives. Verb is be. तो जब प्लूरल होते हैं तो बी का चेंज होकर आर हो जाएगा प्लूरल्स के साथ, जैसे सिंगुलर्स में इज था. दे आर आर रिलेटिव्स. एट्थ सेंटेंस इज व्हेन डज द ट्रेन डैश. वर्ब इज डिपार्ट. विल राइट व्हेन डज द ट्रेन डिपार्ट्स. ट्रेन थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर है इसलिए डिपार्ट के साथ एस यूज हुआ. Ninth is let's wait till he dash his work. Verb is finish. Let's wait till he finishes his work. He third person singular है इसीलिए finish finishes में चेंज हुआ. Verb के साथ s और es का यूज हुआ. 10th sentence please ring me up as soon as he dash. Verb is arrive. Please ring me up as soon as he arrives. He third person singular है तो verb के साथ में first form के साथ s और es का यूज हुआ. So verb becomes arrives. 11th sentence she dash very well. Drive. Verb is drive. She drives very well. शी थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर है तो वर्ब के साथ में एस यूज हुआ. ट्वेल्थ सेंटेंस इज वाटर डैश एट 100 degrees. वर्ब इज बॉयल. वाटर बॉयल्स एट 100 degrees. वाटर जो है वो एक सिंगुलर नाउन है तो इसीलिए उसके साथ में बॉयल्स यूज होगा. बॉयल के साथ एस यूज होगा. 13th sentence he dash a big apartment. Verb is have. So we'll write he has a big apartment. have की जगह पे क्योंकि he जो था वो थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर था इसलिए have की verb has में चेंज हो गई. 14th sentence My birthday dash in July. Verb is be. My birthday is in July. My is a singular noun, so we'll write is. 15th sentence, I dash hard. Verb is work. I work hard. I जो है वो फर्स्ट पर्सन है, इसलिए सिंपल वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आएगी. Sixteenth sentence, the boy dash to play. Verb is want. The boy wants to play. Boy is third person singular, so we'll write first form of the verb along with a is. Seventeenth sentence, the box dash food. Verb is contain. The box contains food. Box is singular, third person singular, so we'll write first form of the verb along with is. Contains. The box contains food. 18th, they dash with me. Verb is agree. They agree with me. They are plural noun, that's why we are using first form of the verb. 19th, this dash bad. Verb is smell. This smells bad. This is singular noun, that's why we are writing first form the verb along with is. This smells bad. 20th, you dash to sleep. Verb is need. You need to sleep. You second person singular है, that's why we are using first form of the verb. You need to sleep. 21, she never dash me. Verb is visit. She never visits me. She थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर है, इसीलिए वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ में एस यूज हुआ. सो शी नेवर विजिट्स मी. 22, कार्स डैश व्हील्स. वर्ब इज हैव. कार्स हैव व्हील्स. कार्स क्योंकि एक प्लूरल नाउन है तो हम लिखेंगे हैव, वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म. 23rd, they dash fruit and eggs. Verb is sell. They sell fruit and eggs. They जो है वो प्लूरल है, इसीलिए यहाँ पे वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आएगी. 24th, you dash the guitar very well. Verb is play. You play the guitar very well. You second person singular है, इसलिए यहाँ पे verb की first form आएगी. 25th, I dash to the park every day. Verb is go. I go to the park every day. I फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर है, इसलिए वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आएगी. 26, Seema dash to help her sister. Verb is try. Seema tries to help her sister. Seema थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नाउन है, इसीलिए वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ में एस या ई एस का यूज होगा. 27, the baby dash every night. Verb is cry. The baby cries every night. Baby singular है, थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर है, इसलिए वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ में एस या ईएस का यूज करेंगे, जैसे यहाँ पे क्राइज है। 28th, the teacher dash us new things. Verb is teach. The teacher teaches us new things. Teacher is third person singular, तो verb की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ में एस या ईएस का यूज होगा। The teacher teaches us new things. 29th, Ramesh dash to Paris once a year. Verb is fly. Ramesh flies to Paris once a year. रमेश थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर है, इसीलिए यहाँ पे वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ में एस या ईएस का यूज होगा। 30th, Arjun dash really well. Verb is study. Arjun studies really well. Arjun is third person singular, so we'll write first form of the verb along with s or es. Arjun studies very well. Thanks for watching, dear students. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to CSH Academy and like this video and share this video along with your friends. For any doubts, write us in the comment section or subscribe to CSE Academy for more such videos.